Myself D.K. Narale, working as an assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Today we will discuss the analytical chemistry paper number 12, colorimetry and spectrophotometry. Previous video we studied about colorimetry and spectrophotometry. In this outline of this topic, previous lecture, theory of colorimetry and spectrometry, Lambert-Beer's law, deviation from Beer's law, term used in colorimetry and spectrophotometry, and in this video, classification of method of color measurement or comparison, photoelectric colorimeter, single beam photoelectric colorimeter, we will discuss in this video. Introduction of this topic already learned. In main intents of this topic is in colorimetric analysis, the intensity of the color of the unknown solution is compared with the intensity of the color of standard solution of same substance, and concentration of unknown solution is determined. Theory of colorimetry depends on the incident of light and monochromatic light. I0, that is incident of light, is equal to these three: light is transmitted, light is reflected, and light is absorbed. Among these, two separate laws governing absorption are generally known as Lambert law or Lambert-Beer's law. Already seen this Beer's law. When beam of monochromatic light pass through the colored solution, the rate of decrease of intensity of the light with the thickness of the colored solution is directly proportional to the intensity of incidental light as well as the concentration of the solutions. The term used in the colorimetry is transmittance, opacity, optical density or absorptions, molar extinction coefficient, specific extinction coefficients. Applications in Beer's law, these laws verify the two different solution is change the values, then obey the Beer's law. Deviation of Beer's law, then solution ionizes or associate with a small solution also, then linearity form, then solution larger or less, then the deviation is formed. In this slides, study about the classification of method of color comparison or measurement. In comparison checked by the various method. In colorimetric analysis, color of unknown amount of the substance in solution is compared with the known amount of substance in solution. This comparison may be carried out one of the following 6 methods. First method, standard series method, duplication method, dilution method, balancing method, photoelectric photometer or color method, and spectrophotometer method. In this slide show learn in this topic is photoelectric photometer or colorimetry method. Photoelectric colorimeter, this is of two types: single cell or double cell photoelectric colorimeter. In single cell photoelectric colorimeter, it has 5 essential parts in instrument. First, a light source. Second, light filters, cell or cuvettes. Third point, photoelectric cell. Fourth point, and galvanometer for current apply. First point is light. A light source, a light lamp operated by 6-volt battery or constant voltage transformer is used as a source. Then most of the sources are used a tungsten lamp or carbon arc lamp. These are the used as a light source in the colorimeter. Filter, light filters, colored glass or colored gelatin coated on glass cuvettes then transmit only narrow wavelength range light in the cuvette from the cuvette to pass the filter the light from solution. To select a suitable filter, the transmissions or absorptions wavelength calibration curve may be obtained using each filter in turn. Transmissions or absorptions wavelength suitable filters. The best filter is that which gives minimum transmissions or maximum absorbance for the given concentration of the colored solutions. From this complementary or to the color form in the solution, less satisfactory method include use that filter whose color is complementary to the color of solution. In solution, observed color of solution is green, then the color of light absorbed red. That point the approximately lambda, that is wavelength 700 nanometer. Similar as the following 7 colors and their complementary color to give particulars wavelength at the particular color. At the present, interference filter are widely used in colorimeter. They transmit narrower wavelength range light than the colored filters. Cell or cuvette, third point, cells or cuvettes. These are the used as a containers for the solution which are clean rectangular or cylindrical vessels having accurate dimensions. For UV light cell made from cords, mainly cords are used, and visible lights are used glasses. The working surface of the cell should be clean, hence it is washed first with distilled water and then rinsed with the test solutions. Then fourth point, photoelectric cells. There are three main types: photoemissive cells, photoconductive cells, and photovoltaic cells. Out of three, photovoltaic cell, that is called as also barrier layer cells. Construction of the photovoltaic cell, these are the galvanometric side charge. R means collecting ring. This means I metal iron base plate. S means selenium deposit layer. H means the hypothetical barrier layer, and G is the thin transparent gold layer, and ring is collective foam. When light passing through the thin gold layer falls on the selenium surface, electrons are released. From surface, electron is released from this selenium layer, which form hypothetical barrier layer, that is H, which offers negative charge and hence becomes negative pole with iron plate, that is iron plate positive poles. If this cell is connected to galvanometer, current will flow and it will vary with the intensity of light. Advantages of photovoltaic cell. First is it is very sensitive and not require additional voltage. Their voltage is changed, then the deviation is formed in the cells. Second, they are more rubbed or sharp than the photoemissive cell with low cost. Disadvantages of photovoltaic cell: they are considerable temperature coefficient and exhibit fatigue effect. And last point of the colorimeter instrument, galvanometer. The photocurrent in the photoelectric colorimeter are measured by means of galvanometer. These are of the magnetoelectric type. Construction of the simplest single cell photoelectric colorimeter using photovoltaic cell is shown as diagrammatically as below. Source, arc lamp, carbon arc lamp, lens, filter, movable holder, that is cuvette in this solution. Photovoltaic cell, this attached to cell. The construction of this single cell photoelectric colorimeter. The constant 6-volt lamp light used as a source. The light from the lamp is passed through the lens filter to give parallel beam. It is then passed through suitable filter to give narrow wavelength to range light, which is passed through the solution solvent. The photovoltaic cell receives signals transmitted light by the solution solvent, produces deflection in connected galvanometer. The galvanometer reading determine the responses of the photovoltaic cells. These are the construction working of the single cell photoelectric colorimeter. Actual simple block diagram: lamp, lens, monochromatic light, then filter, the light pass through the cuvette in the solution, then the concentration of the solution is determined in detector to amplify and read out. Same as a simplified diagram of colorimeter: light source, mirror, lens, filter the light and then pass through the solution, and the transmitted light are collected by the photovoltaic cell and they read out the galvanometer to output the digital output. Same spectrophotometric, then they detect the unknown concentration of the solutions. Calibration of the curve by galvanometer reading. To determine the unknown concentration, the galvanometer reading are taken for a series of standard solution of the given substance with increasing concentration by using pure solvent as a reference. These readings are plotted against the concentration to get calibration curve in figure. By using the calibration curve, unknown concentration can be determined. Change the concentration, then the unknown concentration determine the wavelength, then the plot the graph and the known concentration, unknown concentration solution may be known by this plot by this graph. And calibration, then the deviation from the changes the solution or ionizes large or small, then the deviation form in linearity of the graph. Advantages of colorimeter: it is used for the determine very small amount of the substance, and second, it takes much less time than the classical analysis. Thank you for listening or watching of the second video of the colorimetry and photospectrometry.